How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can see subscribers on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to see your YouTube subscribers, head towards the top right corner and tap on your profile or click on your profile icon. From this menu bar, you have to click on YouTube Studio. So once you're on your channel dashboard, here it says channel analytics, and under this you can see your subscriber. Since I don't have any subscriber yet, under this section you will have an option to see all. Click on it, and after that you will be able to view all your subscribers of your channel. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.